So, very important po sa amin. Recently po, you commented about my skin. Again, I'm very passionate also about skincare because when it comes to skincare, we move away from the just surface level promises. We have our line now, our Celavi Blime. If I could just plug it, it's now reformulated. It's going to be reformulated actually, and then it's going to be rebranded as a cellular skincare. Again, it is rooted in the same science of nourishing the skin at the cellular level, just like for our multivitamins. So again, that consistency from the internal, the multivitamins, and the external, which is our skincare, for external glow, is very rare in the market today. I think that really what sets us apart.